Krakow. Krakow is widely regarded as an excellent place to visit for a variety of reasons. Here are some compelling reasons why Krakow makes for a great travel destination. Krakow's historical town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, boasts stunning architecture and well-preserved medieval structures, including the main market square and old castle. History enthusiasts will appreciate the city's significance as a former Polish capital. Krakow is known for its vibrant cultural scene. It hosts numerous music festivals, art exhibitions, and theatrical performances throughout the year. The city has a thriving artistic community. The Kazimierz district is a testament to Krakow's Jewish heritage. Visitors can explore synagogues, museums, and historic sites that reflect the city's Jewish history, including Sukiennice factory. The presence of prestigious universities, such as Jagiellonian University, lends Krakow an intellectual and youthful atmosphere. You'll find many students and academic institutions in the city. Krakow is close to Auschwitz-Birkenau, one of the most significant concentration and extermination camps of World War II. Many visitors come to pay their respects and learn about this dark period in history. Polish cuisine is hearty and delicious, and Krakow is a great place to try traditional dishes like pierogi, kielbasa, and Polish soups. You'll also find a variety of international dining options. The city hosts numerous festivals, such as the Jewish Culture Festival, the Krakow Film Festival, and the Krakow Christmas Market. These events provide unique cultural experiences for visitors. Krakow is situated near the stunning Tatra Mountains, which are perfect for day trips or longer excursions if you're a nature enthusiast. The Rynek salt mine, with its underground chambers and salt sculptures, is another natural wonder nearby. Compared to many Western European cities, Krakow is relatively affordable for travelers. Accommodations, food, and entertainment are often budget-friendly, making it an attractive destination for those on a tight budget. Krakow is known for its friendly and welcoming locals. Visitors often comment on the warm and inviting atmosphere of the city. Krakow is a city with a rich history and a wealth of cultural attractions. Here are some of the top places to visit in Krakow. Number 1. Old Castle. Number 2. Main Market Square, which is also known as Rynek. Number 3. St. Mary's Basilica. Number 4. Kazimierz, which is also known as Jewish Quarter. Number 5. Sukiennice Factory. Number 6. Auschwitz-Birkenau concentration camp. Number 7. Plantate Park. Number 8. Krakow Cloth Hall, which is also known as Sukiennice. Number 9. Rynek salt mine. Number 10. Krakow Barbican. Number 11. CZARTORYSKI Museum. Number 12. Cross Mound. Number 13. Nauhata. March to May. Spring is a lovely time to visit Krakow as the city comes alive with blossoming flowers and greenery. The weather is generally mild, with temperatures ranging from 10°C to 20°C, 50°F to 68°F. You'll experience fewer crowds and lower prices compared to the peak summer season. Summer, which is June to August. Summer is the high tourist season in Krakow, thanks to warm and pleasant weather. Average temperatures range from 20°C to 25°C. This is the best time for outdoor activities, festivals, and events, but be prepared for larger crowds and higher prices. Autumn, which is September to November. Early autumn can still be quite pleasant and is a great time to visit if you want to avoid summer crowds. Temperatures gradually cool down during this season, ranging from 15°C to 20°C. The fall foliage in and around Krakow is beautiful, making it an excellent time for scenic walks and day trips. Winter, which is December to February. Krakow can be magical during the winter months, especially around Christmas. Expect cold weather with temperatures often below freezing, ranging from -5°C to 5°C. The city is beautifully decorated for the holidays, and you can enjoy the festive atmosphere, Christmas markets, and traditional Polish winter dishes. If you don't mind the cold and want to experience a more intimate and less crowded Krakow, winter can be a charming time to visit. In summary, the best time to visit Krakow depends on your preferences for weather and crowds. Many travelers find the shoulder seasons of spring and early autumn to be ideal for a pleasant visit with fewer tourists. However, if you enjoy warm weather and want to experience Krakow's lively summer events, then the summer months are a great choice. Winter can also be a unique and enchanting time to visit if you're prepared for colder temperatures.